Hello. So today you're going to be putting together self-representation is the assignment, and you're going to be doing a slide, and you're going to do at least 10 images. Those images can be graphics, art, anything that represents you. I've given you some ideas down here of things that you can look up, and here's an example of mine. So I like Disney, I like to ski, I consider Germany my second home. I like the beach. I love to travel. Foliage is a great time of the year for me. This quote from Gandhi inspires me. I love my state of California. I love to scuba dive. I miss my puppy. I love to bike ride, and I love to cook. So as you can see, I have more than 10 images here. This represents me. You're going to do the same thing. When you turn this in, you'll be deleting these directions. So when I open this up, all I'm going to see is this, which represents you. No pictures of you, no pictures of your family, no pictures of your friends, just things that represent you. And this side will be deleted. If you have any questions, please see me.